Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're about to peek in the Studio Junior 1 at the Parkside Residences. So the Studio Junior 1 at the Parkside Residences. Let's take a look. I think you're going to like it. This is not your typical studio because usually studios mean they're going to have a just kind of one space and there's not really a lot of definition. It's kind of like a big rectangle shoebox kind of feel. But this is what it looks like. Man, it's super nice. You got a beautiful kitchen with gas and you've got gorgeous Bosch appliances. I mean, this is super nice. This is one of the nicest studios I've ever seen. And it does have a separated bedroom area. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty much got everything except for just kind of closing off this last area, and that gives you a lot of light because they're not doing that. And then look, it's got a great living room. So great living room space. You got a lot of light here and a lot of space to, you know, put a couch easily and chairs and things like that. And then, hey, you got a cute balcony too. So let's see what the balcony's like. Oh gosh, here you go. You got good space out here. This is beautiful, and you got some fantastic views of the city. I mean, look at this. Just gorgeous. Hey, what do you think about this? This is a great studio. This would be a wonderful way to get into a very high premium luxury residence, but be very modest on your budget. Send me a text and say, hey, Grant, I like that. I want to get that studio. I'd love to get some more information about pricing and the floor that would be perfect for me and everything else that you need. So send me a text. I keep my clients' information private as always, so it won't go into AI or a software. It will just go straight to me and we'll be chatting. Can't wait to hear from you. And we've got a few more videos coming up too.